I'm Oliver, and check out what just came in the mail today. A 12-inch Manning Bowman box fan that has 3 speeds. This fan was made by the McGraw-Edison Company, and the model of this fan is 12509. So now I'm going to turn the fan on for you guys. We're going to start on low speed. Very quiet, yet it blows lots of air. So now we're going to do medium. As you can see, we do get a little bit louder, but it gets really powerful here. This is really powerful. So now I'm going to turn on high speed. As you can see, it doesn't actually get too much louder on high speed. It blows lots of air too. And now I'll turn it off so you guys can see a spin down time. So yeah, there you have it. My Manning Bowman box fan. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.